GoldenDent.
Hi everyone, it's Jenny here from GoldenDent. Today I'm here to share with you our new mirror collection. We have 7 smart dental mirrors that I'm going to share with you. Each come with high quality lenses that are 98% reflectance, giving you great visibility. Each of our mirrors has a unique quality. Some blow air onto the lens, some suction, others have an LED light. Let's learn more about each of the models available. This is our M3 Autoclaveable self-cleaning air dental mirror. It comes in a variety of colors, and the lenses are ultra high definition with a 98% reflectance, giving improved visibility and better clinical efficiency. On the left is our M3 mirror, and the right is a conventional mirror. You can see the constant airflow keeps a clean lens while clinically working. It is installed easily with 2 different methods. First, we will show the air-water syringe hookup. You clip the gray dial onto the air-water. That dial will allow you to adjust the airflow. Insert one end of the tubing directly into the air-water syringe. The other end of the tubing will connect directly to the base of the mirror. Once installed, you can adjust the airflow to your liking. Now we'll show how to connect directly to the dental unit. It connects to the air output. Once it is connected, you can test and adjust the airflow to your preference. It has an easy one-click mirror replacement system. Simply press the back of the mirror directly onto the silver mirror key to release the old mirror and plug. Then insert a new plug and lens. Press it flat on the opposite side of the mirror key to lock it into place. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new mirrors that we offer. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more, give us a call here at the office or check out our website. Also, don't forget, click subscribe below. That way you get all the latest videos that we launch and know what's new here at GoldenDent. Thank you.